Got a package on my doorstep, can't wait to see what's inside. A box with a pink ribbon, gotta open it, can't hide. Heard it's something special, a timepiece to behold.
So, welcome everybody. This is the unboxing of the Pink Lemonade from Studio Underdog. Now, I ordered this back in March and it is now July, and it's July the 12th. So I've had to wait a while, but I knew that. That's when I placed the order, it gave me the estimate and it's been accurate. So it's my first proper watch that I bought. I've had watches before, but they've just been, you know, very ordinary cheap watches. Now this is not a hyper expensive watch, but to me, this seems like a lot of money. So it was £800. So let's break into it and see what we can find. Okay, so nicely packaged. It feels good. This is kind of spongy to protect it. And I've actually got two boxes here. Now, that's because I bought the watch, but I've also bought some extra straps. So we'll come back to the extra straps in a moment. But here is the actual watch itself. So it feels very high quality, the packaging. We can see Studio Underdog, and if I open it again, we've got that lovely label, really nice packaging. So I hate to tear it or damage it, but here we go. Let's undo it. Again, it's all beautifully packaged, and just the sound of the tissue paper is really pleasant. So we've got a leather pouch. Again, that feels high quality. And then we open it and we get to the watch. Now, one of the things that I was a little bit concerned about was the actual size of the watch. I thought perhaps it was going to be a little bit too small. But now that I see it for real, it's perfect, actually. I don't like massive watches, but I didn't want it to look like a lady's watch, and it certainly doesn't. And it's got some nice weight to it as well. Let's just pull that away. There we go. Yeah, now it looks and it feels beautiful, so I am delighted. I think it's really beautiful. So we've got the watch, we've got the pouch, we've got a little thing here. I have no idea what that's for. If I go back into the case, we've got a little booklet telling us all about the watch, and it looks like a testing report. So that's very good. So I'll have a proper look at that later. We've got another package here. I don't know what this is yet. Oh, there we go. So I've got another strap, a black one. Now, from a taste point of view, I probably will swap out this strap and go for a different one. But this is an extra that came with the watch itself. I've also got this other package, which I believe is the extra straps that I purchased for the additional price. So, oh, there we go, it's an extra one strap. Now, it was the black that I wanted, which I think will go well with the watch. So that will be my preference. Let's just have a closer look at the watch itself. The thickness is nice. It feels really solid and chunky and usable. You know, it doesn't look like or feel like a fragile watch. The Pink Lemonade was my choice, obviously. I bought the watch, but I liked some of the others, but this one just jumped out straight to me. It's kind of quirky, and you could say it's possibly a bit silly, but I really like it. So I'm looking forward to wearing it and watching it. And it's a thing of beauty. I really like it. What I need to do is to test it in the dark as well. So I'm going to leave it on a windowsill for a little while, try and charge up the fluorescence, and then see what it comes out like. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. So far so good. I absolutely love it. I'm not disappointed. I think it's beautiful, and it feels really high quality. It feels fantastic. Okay, bye now.